Welcome, welcome. I'm really excited about the new fall patterns, especially the vest. The combination of the vest and the mock tee is just a home run. It's just such a great combination. So this vest I did out of another fabric. It's a Chanel, it's 4414. And I wanted you to see that even if the fabric isn't pre-fringed, there's so many fabrics that work really well with this. In fact, we've put up a whole new collection of all great plaids, solids, textures that just work wonderful with this vest. So the vest can be worn many ways. Initially, we had it with this out, and if you don't want to do that, you just curl it in to where the right side shows and it comes down, and it can be worn over, it can be crossed. You see, you still have this great match at the side where it comes together. No sleeves, and what I did is I just put it on with a t-shirt and a pair of jeans. And it's great. And here's all my fringing. So in this case, this fabric, here's the selvage and here's the selvage. So I know you don't have the pattern yet, but I just want to get you excited. And the pre-sale is going on right now. So I put the pattern, instead of the length, I put it the width, and then I just fringed out the bottom. Is that beautiful? And here's my pile of fringe. And I'm sitting here trying to figure out, okay, what am I going to do with this? So this is pattern number 851, Bella's vest, wrap, whichever you want to call it, because it can be either. And it's wonderful and it's versatile and you're going to love it. And I think it's absolutely hands down my favorite pattern. I know I say that all the time. But anyway, get some fringe, get some fabric that will fringe. Again, this is 4414. It's a Chanel, but you only need a yard. So 1 yard will do it. And what better way to make $1,000 wrap with 1 yard of Chanel? So happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.